Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on the next updates we will be giving to you guys. So, let's see what we will be anticipating for the next day, which is on Tuesday, on our gold. So, we need to see what gold will be giving us next. So, let's start with our trend on gold. This is our full trend, which is our main trend, and our main trend on gold is literally on an uptrend move. This is our full trend and this is our main trend. Gold is definitely in an uptrend move. Now let's take a look at this our current trend also. Gold, this is our current trend, and gold is also in an uptrend move also. So we are currently in an uptrend move also on gold. So this here is our high. Here comes the higher low. This is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high here, higher low. So markets eventually pushed up to give us a new higher high. You can see that this new higher high took out this previous high, right? So our next potential movement on gold should be an higher low. So we should be expecting gold to give us an higher low first. This is for day trader. Then we can now start looking for another bullish move that will be giving us a new higher high. So that should not take us in the forward time frame. So with two markets, the market is likely to pull back to this previous low here, which I believe it will, because when you see that when markets are pushed up, right, it gave a pullback. Before markets eventually pushed up again, markets give a pullback, right? So markets pushed up, failing to take out this previous high here. It failed to take out this previous high. So market is likely to give us a pullback again to retest this level. So market has the potential of giving us a pullback to retest this level, but it's eventually push up again to give us a new higher high. So we are anticipating for market to actually drop back. This is my anticipation, but also have it in mind that market can actually reject from here and push up. The potential that markets will push up from this level is very, very high. The potential is still very, very there. So just make sure that you should be watching out for your buy in any of this level. It's either we start getting a buy from this level, or market is likely to drop to this our previous low, and then the buy is likely to start playing out from this level. So whatever market does, we should be looking for a buy. If there will be any changes to this moment, I'll make sure I let you guys know. All you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments.